This is the first of a series of videos I'm going to be putting out on how to trade stock options and enjoy it and quite possibly make a lot of money. My name is Sean Kelly and I'm a stock options trader. I'm not selling anything, I'm not affiliated with anything. This is just basically if you like it and do it, you really don't have to pay anybody to get all your information. Okay, just to show you that I'm an actual trader and not just somebody trying to screw around. I have an account with E-Trade. They're pretty good. I have tried uh, Tastyworks. It's a good one. The only problem with Tastyworks is I do not like their platform. It's just what I would want to use. I've also used Ameritrade, TDI Ameritrade for trading options. They're very good. But again, the problem is I do not like their platform. Easy Trade has got a fairly good one. There's a couple of glitches with it, but I can live with that. This is E-Trade, and this is where my account is at. This is my account. Currently, there's $5,609 in about 4 months ago. I don't know the exact date. I put in $1,000 and I've been trading fairly well. If you take that $1,000 off of that, I have currently made $4,609 and some pennies. Not bad for a couple of months. I think it's almost four maybe. And I also have margin, which is essential, purchasing power. And it's based on what you have in cash in here. They set it up. And I have at this particular time 13,266 cents. Gives me a lot of buying power, and that's important. And we're gonna move on to where I get my stock option trading information. It's a pretty good site, and I'll show it here in maybe a couple seconds. Okay, my source of information and where I get my stock option trading ideas is here at Market Club. It's a member site. I don't recall what the monthly fee is. It's not much. If it was a lot, I wouldn't be here. They have a treasure chest of stock trading information here. The meat and potatoes of this particular Market Club is trading triangles. They're priceless, actually, if you use them right. And other things you can get out of this is trade school, how trades work, options. There's a school on options, how to write an option, get into that, what to look for, how to write up an order, things like that. It's very good. And okay, another quick jab here. I am not affiliated with a Market Club. Everybody thinks I'm trying to sell something. I am not selling anything at all. Okay, I'm going to go into here. This is some of the things they have. I forgot to mention. You can find out about penny stocks, exchange traded funds, currencies, futures, all kinds of things. I'm an option trader, stock options. And this is where you get top picks on options. Tells you how to do it. They have a great system. Now this is their whole system in a nutshell. There are 3 trade triangles. This is a new one here. It got yellow on it. That means it's a new signal, monthly. It's daily, weekly, monthly. And if you click on this, it'll open up a screen and you can go to it. It's just a brief one. This breaks it down. This is the system. You find, I trade only calls. The green ones are the calls. 3 reds if you like to trade with puts. You can do that. 3 red triangles. That's the nuts and bolts of this whole system. And they score this too, which is very good. I trade nothing but has a score of 100. You can see how liquid the actual stock is. This one here, for instance, is 2.7 million. And this one here, this is AXSM, Axon Therapeutics. It did 4.3 million yesterday. That's very good. Okay, I'm going to bring up a chart and you can take a look-see at that. Okay, this is a stock that I got off of Market Club. And I brought up the Power Trade trading platform. I put my own indicators on. This is a Williams R percent R at 14. And down here is the famous Awesome Oscillator. These are all common ones. Everybody uses them, I guess. There's two kinds of trades on this particular chart. This is what they're at now. Implied volatility. These are high. That's good. It means you get some pretty good swings on these things. Make it go quick too, really. Down here is my Awesome Oscillator, and up here is the other one. This is a Williams R percent R at 14. Okay, my main trading system is a exponential moving average set at 14, 11, and 50. There's a cross here. That's a going down one. I do not trade puts. I just don't want to. I don't like them. I don't understand them. And that's life. I've been trading a long time. I just don't want to take the time with it. Now this is a cross up. This line, the blue line here, is very technical now. Crosses the brown line. Now if you know how this colors work, you will be in the money rather quickly. It's just a fantastic little system. You go up here and you buy in at this point right here. You go there, that comes to the end of the day sorta, so you wouldn't see it anyhow. When it does, you look at it today, for instance, you get in here and you get a, I'll call it a 55 strike. I go 2 months out, so it would be May something or other, 55 strike. And currently, where it's at right now, you get it down here probably around $300 or so per option. I do 3. It's just what I do. And currently, it's up here at 68. That's a good move. 55 to 68, that's 12, 13 points. And it's still going. That's what you got to let go. Just follow the money, you know. That's a good trade. There's one other trading system I use, and if I see it, I will trade it. Back in 1970 something or other, late 70s, a really good trader called Ken Roberts sent out a trading course on chart patterns. He had a number of them. 1, 2, 3, bottoms, tops, head, shoulders, and all that kind of thing. Flags. I love flags. But this one is showing up a lot lately. So here's the number 1 spot right here. Trades up. The buyers kind of chicken out a little bit. Sellers take back over. That's the number 2 right here. And they go down. That's the number 3. The sellers are a little more nervous than the buyers, so the buyers start coming back in. The sellers lock out, and you have a 1, 2, 3. That's what you trade. You pick up here on the number 2 spot. Go a couple of marks above it, and you put in a good to cancel limit order. You trade options. and if it's not market, it has to be a limit order. This is a buy on limit at we'll call it a 45 strike, and that's a couple $100 probably. And good to canceled, and it goes and it gets picked up right here. Now you have 1, 2, or 3, or how many of you want. I trade 3. That's my own preference because I worked up to it. And look what it's got. You get in at 45 and it's currently at 68. I would leave this one going myself. And you made quite a bit of money on that too. There's this one. And there's this one. You could trade just a 1 and bypass this if you want. I don't. It's just gutsy, I guess. And I let it go. And every once in a while I'll throw in a stop loss. It's a good idea, I think. But that's a good trade. These are easy to find. Market Club, this is where this one come up from. I have a bunch of them that I look at. These are all from Market Club. That's going to do it for this one. There's 2 systems here, this one and this one, 1, 2, 3. They're both great. These validating patterns, they serve it well. That will do it for now. Again, my name is Sean Kelly, and good trading to all. And one last jab, I am not affiliated with anything. I do this just to show you that it can be done. If you do it, great. If you take your time, don't try and jump the gun on these things. Good trading to all.